Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard drivers. So first you have to come this website. You can see this is www.gigabyte.com. This is Gigabyte official website, and you can see right hand side you search buttons to click and enter your model number of your motherboard Z790 equal AX, then hit enter. Click on product. 790 equal product 790 equal AX. Click on title. Then guys click on support. Select your operating system Windows 10, 11. So if you are using suppose Windows 10, so you can install this Windows 10 driver. Chipset. So install this one, Intel NF installations. Just click to download. And it's completed. Then just double click to exe. Then click to yes. Wait few seconds to complete. So it is done and closed.